Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how does how does tell GitHub Copilot Chat that will help you fix security issues in your code base. So what we are going to do is open up our chat right here in the right side, just like that. And now we have prompt right here. And what we are going to do, we can identify vulnerabilities via code uh, auditing. So we can paste like something like that. Analyze this function for potential OWASP top 10 security uh, vulnerability and suggest fixes. So let's hit it and we will see what will happen. Okay, so now as you can see, the function code you'd like me to analyze. With that, you can paste the code directly into your next message or point me to file in your repository. So we can select the whole code and paste it right here. And now it will check basically and analyze it for suggested fixes of this code. As you can see now, it will give you 10 options that you can change here in this code. All right, next thing, um, we can validate inputs and data. So we can go this way and paste in refactor this and point to sanitize input parameters and protect against SQL injections using parameterized queries and so on. We can also put here also one more suggestion, basically prompt that we want to change. So let's go with this one, and it will do his job, this agent, Copilot agent. And you will always get the question from the agent what you want to do. If it's something like that, you can follow along and see what's happening with this. But yeah, this is the way how you uh, can fix security issues in your code base. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next